It's one of my favorite health toys, Methylene Blue. This is actually 10x Health pharmaceutical grade Methylene Blue. So what is Methylene?
Ben Greenfield is promoting 10x Health Methylene Blue. It's a supplement brand tied to Gary Brecka, Grant Cardone and the broader biohacking marketing sphere of salesmen, we'll say. This video, which is only a minute and a half long, is going to be a biohacker sales pitch disguised as science, pseudo-technical jargon, misused biochemistry terms and affiliate upselling wrapped in wellness. So let's see what Ben has to say about Methylene Blue.
Methylene Blue. The interesting thing is that it actually interacts with some components of your mitochondria, and it specifically allows for better ATP production by your cells when your cells are targeted by photons of light, particularly red light. So this will increase ATP production. It also acts as a selective antioxidant in the body. So
Methylene Blue boosts mitochondrial ATP production when exposed to red light. He says, so impressive, but there's no verified evidence in healthy humans. Methylene Blue is a synthetic dye. It's used medically to treat methemoglobinemia, which I probably just butchered. It's a rare condition where blood can't carry oxygen. The ATP plus red light is extrapolated from cell culture studies. It's not in any human trial. So saying it turns the body's battery is complete marketing. There's nothing physiological about it. Red light therapy already increases mitochondrial activity. So adding Methylene Blue doesn't amplify that. He's talking like a lab dish observation and turning it into a lifestyle product with no evidence. No data, no clinical backing, just money out of your wallet, a blue tongue, and you could probably sound cool to other biohackers.
Can both accept and donate electrons. It can help to turn on the body's battery, so to speak, when it comes to production of more energy currency. Interestingly, Methylene Blue is something that's used in functional medicine for antiviral, fungicidal, antibacterial.
Selective antioxidant accepts and donates electrons. It's true in vitro, but context matters. Because Methylene Blue can also become pro-oxidant, and it all depends on the dose and the oxygen levels. So calling it a selective oxidant is half truth, but 100% marketing. The dose he recommends, several droppers, is completely unverified. There are no established safe limits for chronic use. So yes, it accepts and donates electrons. So does rust on metal, but you shouldn't mix that in water and drink it.
Type of uses, so it's often something that someone will use for an immune supporting protocol as well. But if you've never tried Methylene Blue before, my recommendation is you get something like this and you put 2 or 3 dropperfuls in the water, and then typically it's going to saturate your cells within about 60 to 90 minutes.
Immune support, antiviral, antibacterial, fungicidal, massively over exaggerated. It's used topically or in lab disinfection, not a systematic immune booster. There are zero control trials showing immune benefits in healthy people. Saying that it's used in functional medicine is code word for we made this shit up. If Methylene Blue killed viruses in the body, hospitals would have used it during COVID instead of antivirals. And you can have your opinion on that whole thing, but they would have used it. But they didn't. What does that mean?
So if you time this about 60 to 90 minutes prior to something like a superhuman protocol with the PEMF, the oxygen, and the red light, or even go for a walk in the sunshine where you're getting a lot of wavelengths of red light, you feel this profound increase in energy, but it's like a jitter-free, non-central nervous system stimulating form of energy. So it's just this really clean, energetic, focused feel that you get with something like Methylene Blue.
60 to 90 minutes to saturate your cells, more pseudo-scientific bullshit. There's zero evidence Methylene Blue saturates cells or that timing matters. And it's certainly, definitely 100% not going to make your workout any better, give you any more energy. The term saturate your cells sounds scientific, but it's absolutely meaningless. Methylene Blue distributes through bodily fluids. not muscle mitochondria or in any targeted way. Like, he's talking about methylene blue like it's a pre-workout creatine. It's a dye. It's not a performance enhancer. This clean, energetic, jitter-free focus is bullshit. It's pseudoscience, subjective placebo marketing. If you've ever tried it and had more energy, it's placebo. The placebo effect is real. Do not fall for this bullshit. All you're going to end up with is an empty wallet and a blue tongue. What methylene blue can do, though, is cause dizziness, nausea, and serotonin toxicity if you combine it with SSRIs or supplements that affect serotonin. So calling it clean energy is wellness trope. It's the same line used to sell caffeine-free fat burners. And we all know, I mean, you maybe not, the wellness industry is worth massive amounts more than the pharma industry. And the pharma industry gets so much critique. These people are selling you shite and you're buying it. And all you're ending up with, again, is just a blue tongue. Every time someone says clean energy, just make sure no one can get hold of your wallet. If you want to know if something works, step one should be, has it got Gary Brecka as part of an affiliate for the whole company? If the answer is yes, walk away as quickly as possible. He falsely calls himself a motility expert. He claimed that he got Dana White to live longer. He put him on TRT and a calorie deficit. A TRT dose, calorie deficit, is going to work to get anybody bigger and leaner. All you're going to get is overpriced NAD, B12, and this custom gene shit supplement that there's absolutely zero peer review validation for. Ben Greenfield cross markets Gary Brecka's circle, and they'll amplify each other's biohacking breakthroughs. Like, we can't discredit it yet because they're still fairly young. So we have to wait until they end up getting sick and ill later on in life to then say, ha, told you so. You wasted all this money on methylene blue and it's actually not making you any healthier or live longer. This is affiliate marketing. It's bullshit. It won't work. If you want to have something that does work, eat healthier, do more exercise, lift weights. I don't know what else to say, really. It's FDA approved for cyanide poisoning. Chronic oral use is linked to neurotoxicity. So the biohacker scene repackages these compounds as longevity hacks. No dosing standards and no safety data. And this guy has previously promoted coffee enemas, grounding mats, infrared detoxes. It's the same pseudo-scientific pattern. Like, stick a pipe up your, and shove coffee in, and then you're all of a sudden just really healthy. It's a sales pitch. Don't fall for it. If you want to know something that does work, there's a link in the description. 21 days, 21 emails. You'll understand what actually works and what is complete bullshit. Go get that. I'll see you in the next one.